Generic sales emails suck, right? They take forever to draft and people rarely reply. Never mind convert. The problem with these sales pitches is that they require your prospects to invest significant effort to read. The solution is simple. Video sales letters. A video sales letter is a sales pitch delivered via video. The purpose of a video sales letter is to encourage prospects to take a specific action or convert into customers. And they really do work. Sales videos are proven to 1. Improve customer retention. 2. Provide more information in less time. 3. Provide viewer behavior analysis. 4. And to personalize your message. If you think that creating video sales letters requires a ton of time, equipment, and resources, think again. With Gen AI like our one, you can create personalized video sales letters easily from your computer in less time than those text pitches that hardly anyone reads. Click on the link above to learn more about how to boost your reply rates and close more deals than ever before. Go to our1.a to get started, or click on the link above.